Michelle's Boutique. Today I'm gonna be doing a makeup tutorial to make a makeup that's gonna pop your face. If you ever wonder how to make a makeup look that's gonna be making people turn their heads around and look at you and say, oh my god, she looks so good, you came to the right video. Before applying your makeup, as always, you need to prep your face. You make sure you have a good skincare routine, your skin is as smooth as possible. Even if it's not, you can still put makeup on. It's just that I'm the best example because I have pretty smooth skin. If you want to have any advice on your skincare routine or you don't know where to start, please click on my video in my channel, and I've made a video about my skincare routine that you can follow, but always make sure to make a patch test. The first thing we do, of course, after the skincare, after moisturizing our skin, is to get a good primer. The primer that I use is the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. I got it for 10 quid on Boots and it's really good. It's a really good dupe for the Milk makeup that is like super expensive. Like, it's not in my budget. So I'm gonna try to get as much as I can because this thing is running out really quick. But for the sake of this video, I'm gonna use every single every single drop that I have left of this primer without spilling anything. And after that, you're just gonna put it all over your face and make sure to leave it there for 30 seconds. What I usually like to do when I am waiting for the primer to like set a bit is curl my lashes and do my lashes, or like at least prep them. The way I use it is I use a lash curler. I don't really need to use a lash curler because my eyelashes are naturally curly, but I wanted to give them like an extra help because they're really thin lashes, so I wanted to give them extra help and then to make a more lifted effect. This eyelash curler, I got it from Shein for like not less than £1, and it's really good because it's got a comb, and this is what I really like because I'm kind of scared of those who do not have a comb because I feel like my eyelashes are gonna get trapped in them, and that's my biggest fear. So what you're gonna do is to simply do this. Make sure to not get your the actual eyelid on it. Then as final prep for my lashes, I use a clear lash mascara. You can see that my eyelashes are actually kind of good already, but we're gonna make them even better with the mascara I'm gonna be using today. As of the base, I'm gonna be using the e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter. This is a really good foundation, concealer, anything that you want. It's so universal and it is so much, there's so much product for the price. It's £15 from Boots, and it's really good because it can be used for anything. It can be used for a highlighter, it can be used the foundation, it can be used the concealer, and I really recommend it for anyone that wants to like find a cheaper option. I'm just applying it with a beauty blender. This beauty blender, I dumped it and like I made it bigger because it was so much smaller than this, and I just put it on the water for a few seconds, squish there so the water gets into it, and now it's like so big and it's so good because it gives you like a better surface area on the skin so that we can cover much more area on the face and so also distribute the foundation better. Now on to concealer. Of course you need concealer, girl. Like, I don't know if you're not using concealer, what are you doing? Like, I understand if you're not using foundation, but I do not understand why you're not using concealer. And I'm using the Maybelline Perfector 4-in-1 Glow in the shade Medium Deep. Oh, and the e.l.f. Halo Glow was in the shade 7. This concealer is really good. Like, it blends so well on the skin. And I did the same thing for the beauty blender. I did the same thing with this beauty blender. I just dumped it a bit to make it a bit bigger, give it better surface area. I'm putting the concealer in like the central parts of my face so that it can highlight them and make them pop even more. It's better if you put concealer and the Halo Glow on your nose as well, so that it helps, really helps the highlighter that you're gonna put in pop even more, and that is really good. All the products that I'm using, I'm gonna be putting them in the description, so if you want to purchase them, please look at my description and click the link. Now I'm gonna apply the mascara. The mascara that I use is the Fenty Beauty, I forgot the name of it. It's a full frontal mascara in the shade Cause I'm Black. And I love this thing so much because the wand is so cool. Like, it's flat on one side and it's like curvy on the other side, so that gives you can put the volume and the length in the same mascara, which is so good. So you don't need to purchase 2 mascaras to get this effect that this one gives you. So first of all, you need to lengthen the lashes just like so and pass them through the flat side. If you see if it's a bit clumpy, get like a Um, I actually forgot the name of these, but you can get them. It's like mini brushes, and you can get them off Shein. I got this off Shein for like £8 as well. It was like a pack of 100 or 50. So please get them. They're really really useful, and it helps you so much to get on clumpy lashes, so we don't get things like these spider lashes. We do not want that. Now the key of the poppy makeup is these following steps. First of all, the blush you're gonna use. You're gonna use the more like either red or pink blush, because this is gonna give you the most popping effect, if especially on brown skin or dark skin. Pink or red is the best color. I am currently using the She Glam liquid blush in the shade Rose Ritual, and I'm just putting in on my cheeks. And I'm not gonna put it on my nose this time, like I did in like a previous video. This because there is absolutely no need of concentrating everything on like on the central part, in terms of blush, because of the lips, because the lips are gonna be the key element of this look. Because I always say never be too afraid to put too much blush, because I am just gonna put this powder blush on top of the one that I just put. This is the blush from Collection in the shade Bashful 2. So it's, I think, pretty sure it's the second shade. And it's really, really good on dark skin. The other thing that I don't really like about this one is that it kind of like fades away so quickly. So I don't really I recommend it if you're like on like a really low budget, but at the same time it's not really that worth spending even a single penny on this. The second step that's gonna help us with the poppy makeup is the highlighter. This is the liquid highlighter from She Glam in this shade Tea Cake, and this is a really good shade for dark skin because it's like really golden, and I feel like, this is my opinion, but golden shaded highlighters are so much better for darker skin. Guys, this is my opinion, okay? Calm down. So what I do with it is just I get like a brush. I get a brush, or maybe I just do it with my hands if I feel on the day. For example, today I feel like doing it with my fingers. I'm just gonna do it with my fingers. I'm not gonna connect this bit to this bit because that is not really good. So I'm gonna try my best to avoid that bit. Then I also get a second highlighter. This is the Collection highlight stick in the shade God, I actually don't even know what shade it is. It doesn't say. I think it's just maybe like one shade kind of thing. And I'm gonna put this under my eyebrow a bit. I'm gonna use a brush. So with a brush, I'm gonna apply this highlighter stick just a bit right there, just like that. Now on to the lips, which are the like most fundamental element of our whole look. This is the Deborah Milano 24 hours lip liner in the shade 3. I don't know if this is even available anymore. It's my mom's, honestly, but I got it because it's a really really nice shade and it suits dark skin so good. So it's kind of like close to a reddish shade, kind of looks like maroon. It's like around maroon, and we're gonna first put it on like the bottom of our lips, just like that, in the center. See, already this color is so gorgeous and it's so nice. And I'm just gonna put it towards the end of the lip, just like so. I like to like give it a more natural look by dabbing it. And now we're gonna do the top of the lip. I'm gonna do like a higher cupid bow because we like that. It's like so. And again, we're gonna connect it just like so. I can already see this color is absolutely gorgeous. I'm just doing the like tiny details to make this look gorgeous and perfect just for you guys. So we could kind of like fill it up and like leave it, or like even just leave it like this, but I want to give you an even better look to make sure that your look is always on point. And this is why I'm using this e.l.f. lip stain. This is the e.l.f. lip stain in the shade Power Mauve, I don't know, but this is like a really like reddish pinkish shade. It's a lip stain, so it's gonna last like all day long, and it fits so nicely with this lip liner, guys. Okay, guys, I just not even love this. How can you not love a makeup look like this? Like, it's so good. It's absolutely amazing. I love it. The next product we're putting on our lips, guys, is gonna be a game changer. Promise. Okay, final touch. We're gonna put the most amazing products out of all of the ones that I've used, which is the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in the shade Cheeky. This is, as you can see, it's a really red with the orange sparkles on it, and it's really, really good. And the consistency is just so amazing. You guys should buy, all of you should buy it. And look how amazing this is. This is absolutely a game changer. Immediately, the sparkles are making this look even more amazing than it was already. Now we're gonna set everything that we've just done with the Fit Me Poreless and Matte Maybelline powder in the shade 250 Sun Beige, and we're just gonna use a powder puff and just spread it all over them like so. We're gonna get this, and we're just gonna put it on our face. Like, look how already flawless it is. It immediately brightens your under eye, which is what we really want to get even more flawless look. Just get as much as possible, not too much because it's gonna look like a ghost, especially on dark skin. You need to be really careful with these powders. I am absolutely so satisfied with this look, guys. I don't know about you lot, but this is absolutely amazing. Now we're done. And to ultimately set everything, wait, what? I used the NYX matte finish setting spray, and it's so good to mattify everything and give you a dewy yet matte look, which is fantastic, even more fantastic. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you have any ideas of a new video you want to watch in this boutique, then please leave in the comment. Check out again the link in the description for all the products that I have used. And thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and like this video. Bye bye.